Alright guys, we are standing in front of the new property purchase. I'm gonna take you around the outside and then we'll go the inside. So actually let's start off with the driveway. This home was purchased as is. Driveway's all cracked up. That's gonna be redone. Hitting the outside up. Probably not gonna do too much with the landscaping. A new roof, we got one coming in this week. We'll keep the blue siding. I like it. Pressure wash the outside. Get it all cleaned up and nice. Privacy fence. Probably gonna end up pressure washing that. We'll pressure wash the concrete. Throw a new storm door there, or maybe we'll paint it. Little piece of siding came off, get that fixed up nice. Nice yard, not much landscaping compared to the last house. Little limb right there, that's easy, cut that. Again, new roof. Windows are close enough to updated, gonna keep those. So now let's check out the inside, guys. If you are new to the real estate investing world, you're always going to have issues. So I actually just closed on the house today, did a final walkthrough inspection with the property owner because this was direct purchase with them. And so as far as the garage goes, I'm actually going to have the drywaller finish and tape everything up and mud it. I'll go in, prime it and paint it and get that looking great. So guys, I came here this morning, did an inspection right before closing, and went and signed the paperwork. Upon my inspection, the whole house, carpet was wet, so have a little remedy for that. Went and got some dehumidifiers and some fans. That will be okay. I didn't negotiate as I could have because it is a different expense I didn't factor in. But I'm gonna rip out the carpet right now real quick, get some fans in here. All right, let's take you through the house. So new appliances, gonna get a new door, brand new appliances, and it's a real nice little small kitchen. Probably gonna get some updated cabinets in here. This ugly, nasty wallpaper, that's going all the way through the house. You can see here the floor is wet. I ripped some of the carpet up today on an inspection. But other than that, guys, this one's gonna be a lot easier than the last one. All the light fixtures, we'll get those updated. Probably not gonna do an HVAC unit because it did just get serviced. But you can see here, pretty wet looking carpet. Paint all the way throughout. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, and it's gonna stay a 3-bed, 2-bath. Pretty nice sized little hallway bathroom. The laundry hookup was actually the issue. Sometimes these older copper valves, they don't close all the way, and that is the issue. Nice little sized bedroom. And the master. Again, any wallpaper we're gonna update. Showers are gonna stay, we'll have those refinished. But as far as the vanity and toilet goes, that will be updated. The doors I'm probably actually gonna keep for this one. It just makes sense since it's a rental. But yeah, guys, that is it. So I bought this house for $65,000 plus closing costs, which is about $66,000. And what I anticipate putting into this home is roughly $30,000. So my plan is to be all in at $96,000. What it's going to be worth when I'm done should be right around $130,000. Now here's where you're going to want to pay attention. So I'm going to be all in at $96,000 if everything goes right, and let's say it's worth that $130,000. I take it to the bank, I get a cash out refinance loan on it, and they're going to give me 75% of the value of it. So if my numbers are right, that'll give me $97,500 back in my pocket, ready for the next deal. And then this is going to be a rental at roughly $1,200 to $1,300 a month. So the first bedroom, pretty simple. We stripped out a little bit of drywall. We're going to replace the ceiling fan, paint, and probably change the outlets. So now let's take a look at the bathroom and the issues we had in there. So what we're going to do in the bathroom is fill in where this old medicine cabinet style thing is, close that off. We're going to replace the lines with PEX just on the outside and refinish the tub. Now let's take a look at the next bedroom. Oh, baby, is the game over? So for the master bath here, all the wallpaper is going, refinish the tub, same thing. We got the vanity out. Now let's check out the master closet. Here we'll do some wire rack, white color, and call it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, drop a comment below your favorite part. Be sure to subscribe for more content. The real estate journey is going to be real here on Ryan Troyer TV, and I want you guys to get in the game. Until next time, guys, thank you for watching.